Welcome to Center for Technology-Enabled Education series of tutorial videos. This tutorial is for our graduate school instructors. Where can I get the grade sheet template for my class? Let us show you how. To start, open any of your browser and type lpu.mrooms.net. Once you're already in the home page, click the Login button located at the right side of the page. You may now enter your user account credentials for myLPU. Username is firstname.lastname@lpu.edu.ph. Then enter the corresponding password. Once done, you may click the Login button to proceed. Located in your dashboard is the graduate school course site, which contains all graduate school related documents. Click the site to proceed. On the left side of the page, you will see the class record and grade sheet section. Click the link to continue. Then finally, the grade sheet template should be displayed. Click the link to download it to your device. The grade sheet template is an Excel file. It requires you to input your name, the course title, the program, and the academic year and its semester. Also, do not forget to input the information of your students, which can be found in the class list provided by the graduate school personnel. On this template, you can modify the activities according to your preferences. And make sure to clear the previous inputs to avoid confusion. And that's it. You may now use this template for your class. Other sheets in this Excel file inherit some of the information you have provided on the first sheet. So no need to type it all over again. I hope this video tutorial answers your question. See you on the next videos.